Hey guys, today I will show you 5 yoga poses to reduce belly fat. Let's get started. First pose, Pavan Muktasana, also known as wind relieving pose. Lie down on yoga mat facing upwards with your arms beside your body and feet stretched out and heels touching each other. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, gradually bring the knees towards your chest. With the thighs applying pressure on the abdomen, hold the knees properly by clasping your hands around your legs. Inhale again, and as you exhale, lift your head, allowing your chin to touch your knees. Hold the position for 30 seconds in the beginning if you are a beginner, while breathing deeply. Repeat the asana 2-3 times if you are a beginner, leaving a 10-second interval between repetition. After practice, you can start doing 5 to 10 times gradually or more. Benefits of this asana: it alleviates all the stomach problems like constipation, indigestion, etc. Strengthen the back and abdominal muscles, tones the muscles of legs and arms. Exhale slowly, release your knees while allowing your head to rest on the floor. Bring your hands onto either side of your body, palms facing the ground. Relax in Shavasana for 10 to 15 seconds before getting into the second pose, which is Uttanpadinasana, raised leg pose. To start with this pose, place your hands under your butt to give support to your back. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, raise your legs from the floor, making 30-degree angle with the floor. Hold the pose for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing normally. Slowly work to hold the posture for more than 60 seconds only if your body allows. Repeat this asana 3 to 5 times to start with, working up to 10 times or more gradually after practice. Relax for 10 seconds in Shavasana after each repetition. Benefits of this pose are: it cures back pain, improves the functioning of reproductive organ, and it improves blood circulation of the body. Inhaling deeply, gradually bring your legs back to the initial position, palms facing the ground. Relax in Shavasana for 10 to 15 seconds before we move to next pose. Third pose, Noka Asana, also known as boat pose. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, lift your body, the head, chest and legs from the ground. Stretch out your arms so they form a parallel line with your legs. Your fingers should be in the same line as the toes, gaze towards the toes. Breathing normally, hold the posture for 30 to 60 seconds to start with, working up to 10 to 15 times gradually. Benefits are: strengthen the abdominal muscles and helps in removing excess belly fat. Improves the health of digestive organs and strengthen arms, thighs and shoulders. Inhale and exhale deeply, slowly relax and come to the initial position facing upwards. Relax in Shavasana for 10 seconds before we start the next asana, which is Kandra Asana, also known as shoulder pose. To start this yoga pose, bend your knees first. Bring your feet more close to your hips so it's easy to hold your feet with your hands. Inhale deeply, hold your feet with your hands and lift up your body, chest, stomach, then exhale deeply, slowly. Hold this position for 30 seconds in the beginning. If you are a beginner, after practice, you can take this time to 1 minute. Repeat this asana 3 to 5 times as a beginner, working up to 10 to 15 times gradually after practice. Make sure you relax 10 seconds in Shavasana between repetition. Benefits of this asana: strengthens back muscles, arms and shoulders, bring relief from constipation and indigestion. It improves flexibility and keep the spine flexible. Exhale slowly and bring your body down into relaxed position. Relax in Shavasana for 10 to 15 seconds before we move to next yoga asana. Bhujangasana, also known as Cobra Pose. To do this asana, we'll change the position with your chest facing down, legs slightly spaced out, and toes touching the floor. Keep the hands on either side of your body. Bring your palms beneath your shoulders, inhaling deeply. Slowly lift your chest and head off the floor. Keep your gaze fixed on the ceiling while keeping your butt firm. Keep breathing normally. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds while breathing normally. Don't push yourself hard if you are a beginner. Repeat this asana 3 to 5 times to start with, working up to 10 to 15 times or more gradually, but only after practice. Benefits are: it tones the abdomen, improves flexibility of back, reduce stress and fatigue. Exhale and slowly bring your body down, chest, neck, forehead to the initial position. Stretch your arms slowly. Relax in this position for 15 to 20 seconds before we finish yoga. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.